Start of the year, meron bagong hulog si Infinix and it's the Hot 40 series. This phone is geared towards the gamer and it's just priced below 7,000 pesos only. This phone has the popular Helio G99, 33 watts of fast charging brick plus 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. And best of all, meron siyang meta material to give you the better performance pagdating sa gaming. Kamusta naman kanyang performance? Pag-usapan natin after this quick unboxing. Now, kung gusto niyo malaman ang presyo na itong phone na ito, this phone na may 8 gigs of RAM plus 8 and 256 gig of storage will be priced at 6,999. I'll be linking on the description box below. Now, first things first, ang kanyang design is, well, I would always say na mukhang iPhone. And pag medyo malayo mo tingnan itong camera modules, it looks really like a iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. Pero kung malapitan mo siyang tingnan, medyo mas malaki ang kanyang camera module as compared sa kanyang iPhone counterpart. Now, if you look at kanyang camera bump, it's a little bit thick. Hindi siya ganun kanipis. Now, another thing na mapapansin mo dito is nandiyan ba kanyang audio jack. And this side frames is very shiny. So, pansin mo, ang daming fingerprint smudges nga lang. Now, kung tinanggal mo kanyang SIM tray, you'll find a triple card slot. So, you can expand using a micro SD plus dalawang 4G na SIM ang capable dito. And pag ang Horizon Gold ang kinuha mo, pag inilawan mo siya, mapapansin mo, there's some glitters din dito sa kanya. Na itong phone na ito is collaborated together with Free Fire. And makita mo yung kanyang team is Free Fire talaga na team. And there's some icons dito na ginawa just specially for this phone. Now, if you're the type of person na hindi ka fan ng Free Fire, you can always go to theme and choose the other theme packs. Now, itong phone na ito has one of the overly used the processor, which is the Helio G99. As we know, it was able to give me a 409,000 na points dito sa Antutu benchmark. Now, if you further break it down, this is the score that you'll be getting. Now, pagdating sa One Extreme, we got a 350 na loop score plus a 99% na stability. Looking at Geekbench, ito makukuha mo sa kanya CPU bench. And ito naman makukuha mo sa GPU bench. Now, pagdating sa thermal throttling, kita mo naman all green, looks kind of good. And ang maximum GPS is 158,000 na GIPS and it throttled to 92% ng kanyang maximum performance. Now, this phone has a 5,000 mAh na battery, can support up to 33 watts na fast charging. And charging it from 0 to 100 takes a little bit above 1 hour to complete the charging task. Now, on daily average usage ng phone na ito, definitely okay. It can last you through the whole day without charging and that's under normal na usage circumstance lang. Now, kung medyo matipid ka, you can even pull this to even near 2 days of usage. Now, sinalang naman natin ito sa battery stress test. It was able to give me a near 14 hours na screen on time, which definitely is a good sign para sa phone na ito. Makunat siya. And itong test na ito is based on 60 Hz screen refresh rate and 50% the screen brightness. The pansin po itong phone na ito, it has a 6.78-inch na IPS LCD. It can give you 120 Hz of screen refresh rate, pero pansin mo yung parang phone mo parang medyo mas elongated ng konti as compared sa ibang mga phones na nahawakan natin, no? And pansin ko, parang medyo mas slim siya ng konti, pero medyo hinabaan niya ng konti itong phone na ito. Well, it's good dahil pag nagte-text ka, abot na abot mo ang dulong-dulo ng screen na dito using one-hand texting. And one thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya, even though na this is a budget phone, yung bezel siya dito sa gilid is hindi ganun kakapal. Though medyo makapal ang kanyang baba. And yung kanyang punch hole is a little bit bigger as compared sa mga mid-ranger. Now, ang viewing experience naman dito is quite good dahil malaki naman kanyang screen. If you're scrolling through mga shorts, mga reels dito, it's definitely fast thanks to its 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. Now, nanood naman tayo several videos dito sa YouTube. Not the best experience that you'll be getting on a smartphone, but definitely for its price point, yung kanyang quality is not that bad. Now, this phone has triple camera sensor. It has a 108MP na main camera sensor, 2MP na macro, and 0.08 na auxiliary lens. Probably the auxiliary lens might be your depth sensor. Now, and it can shoot up to 2K na video, and sa kanyang harap is a 32MP na front-facing camera, which can also shoot up to 2K. So guys, i-break lang natin quickly ang kanyang camera performance dito sa phone na ito. Always taking on this photo. This is one of my favorite spot now to check. Now, itong camera niya, I would say na outright looks good naman. And kung zoom in mo naman, there's quite some details na makita mo dito. Don't expect too much from this camera dahil this phone is more geared towards the gamers, not towards the photographers talaga. Now, checking on some of these other flower shots, I would say na okay naman siya. Not something really wow that masa-surprise ka, but rather it would give you some really decent photo shot that you would expect from this camera. Now, if you zoom it in dito sa photo na ito, there are some parts na medyo okay, there are some parts na medyo blurred. Unlike sa mga mid-ranger, this one is just a little bit average. But sometimes kung lucky enough ka naman, you will be able to get some good shots naman, just like this one. Now, if you bring this camera on indoor, there are times na looks good naman siya. But if you check yung mga edges niya, pag bokeh, medyo nagsosoften na siya. But there are times naman on some of this snowman shot, it looks pretty nice and pretty decent. Now, looking at this bin shot, I would say na hindi ganong kaakit-akit yung mga shots na ito. Na medyo blurry siya konti. But if you zoom it in, it looks a little bit better rather than yung kanyang one-time zoom. Now, taking some bokeh shot, there are times that mukhang okay naman siya, like this one. Checking some Christmas decors, this looks just okay. Medyo may pagka-pale lang siya ng konti. But siguro kung medyo mas matingkad siya ng konti, might look a little bit better.
And here's some decent shots from the selfie camera, both indoor and outdoor.
Now, if you use this front-facing camera to take a 2K video, it looks something like this on outdoors. It looks decent na. The color is not bad. But if you took it indoors, mapapansin mo na shaky na siya and naninilim siya on some parts na medyo madilim. Medyo nahirapan siya on low light situation. Now, using its rear camera to take a video, you would see something like this. A little bit blurry kunti. Not the best quality that I've seen, but rather, it's just average. I would say na okay lang naman siya for still shooting, but if you're moving, it's quite shaky. Okay, so this phone is built for gaming. So gusto na natin quickly i-test ang gaming performance dito sa phone na ito. And I was able to play 2 games, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. Itong dalawang games na ito, sinagad-sagad natin, and these are the graphical settings sa kaya natin isagad. And playing Call of Duty Mobile, it was okay. There are times na mafe-feel mo there are some certain frame drops along the way, lalo kung naglalaro ka ng ranked matches, no? And nagkita-kita kayo lahat dito sa isang certain place, mapapansin mo there's a slight lag. And on some certain instance, paglingon ko, pansin ko parang medyo nalag ako nung paglingon ko, patay na ako. But one of the good things dito sa phone na ito is that it has stereo speaker. Mapapansin mo na this phone at its price range, it has quite a good, decent sound when you're playing mga games dito using the loudspeaker. Now, moving over to Farlight 84, sinagad ko talaga ang kanyang performance ng graphics na kaya niya i-support. And, well, along the way, the first few minutes is quite okay. Nagpe-perform naman siya. Now, pagdating naman sa Battle Royale, nung nagkagulo-gulo na kami sa isang certain point, medyo marami ka, siguro, I think, mga 12 kami nagrarat-ratan, no, together with my team. Pansin ko, there's a lag and medyo uminit ang phone, no? And pansin ko dito at around somewhere dito sa camera module, it was able to reach a 45 degrees Celsius based sa aking mild C na thermal scanner. And it's quite hot, but you can always cool it down faster using a phone cooler. The gameplay was nice, but medyo mainis ka lang sa kanyang lag. You can always set it down a little bit lower to play it a little bit more smoother along the way. Now guys, itong phone na ito, $6,999. Sulit nga ba siyang bilhin for your money? Well, overall, if you're a gamer, I would say at this price point, this is not such a bad buy. And the form factor is really nice. I would say na pang malayuan, it's undeniably looking like an iPhone naman talaga. But if you're the type na mahilig sa photos, I would suggest that you go a little bit higher sa mga Note series, sa mga Zero series, the Infinix. Those phones have the better camera as opposed dito sa Hot series. But overall, if you're looking for a budget phone that can perform, this Hot 40 Pro is not such a bad choice. The one thing na nagustuhan ko talaga dito is yung meta material niya. Medyo malayo ako sa aking router, tinest ko talaga siya, no? And okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya nagsistutter along the way. Yung signal reception niya is quite good. Probably that's the win factor dito sa phone na ito, ang kanyang meta material. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and of course, share sa inyong mga friends. And a subscription to this channel would definitely be appreciated. And I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.